So you can't see me because I'm standing behind one of these two 100-watt solar panels that are available to work with this R2500 unit. They are the latest technology. They are super efficient as well as really light and durable. So they are so easy to plug in. It is actually still February here in Florida. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it is partly cloudy. So we are not going to get a huge number out of this unit. Obviously you could hook two together. You're going to get double that amount. I lived through Superstorm Sandy in New York. Power was out for 2 weeks and we didn't have any of this technology at that point, and oh boy, would it be so much nicer to have. Obviously, you can't run your whole house on 200 watts of solar power during the day. I hope it's sunny and the right time of the year for that to work, but nonetheless, you can keep your life functioning and running just like if you were going boondocking and you wanted to have power and there's no power supply there, and while you're running off the battery, you can keep recharging the battery by using the sun and free electricity to keep your life going while you're camping. If you don't have power and you want to have power, this is a crazy, amazing setup. And if you want to get that, there is a link right there on the screen. Worst case, if that functionality isn't there, it is in the description. Use that, it helps out the channel. We do appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it definitely helps out the channel a little bit. So I'm gonna say thank you in advance. While you're down there, remember to like, subscribe, and put in the comments, what are you gonna use these for? Are you just gonna use one set, 200 watts? Are you gonna go for 400 watts? What are you doing? I'm so curious. Put that in the comments, let us know. I hope this video has been helpful. We'll see you next time.